In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the select all, copy, and paste using keyboard shortcuts. So first, we're going to go ahead and open up my WordPad. I have a blank WordPad here. And I'm also going to open up my on-screen keyboard. This is just a visual representation of the actual keyboard, so you can see what buttons I am clicking. So first, let's go ahead and write just a couple words out. So we do visit nephewtech.com to see more videos. Perfect. Now let's say I want to select all the words on this document. I'm going to hit the Ctrl key and then the A key, like that. And we can see that it all turns blue. So again, I'm going to hit the Ctrl key on my keyboard. See it light up? Oh, there we go, the Ctrl key. And then the A key, and that will select everything on the selected window. So we're going to do Ctrl A, and that will select all. And now we're going to Ctrl C. And this is going to copy the whatever selected to our clipboard. Now this is a super useful feature. So if we create a new line here by just pressing enter a couple times, we are going to now use Ctrl V for pasting, and it will paste whatever was on our clipboard again. So we have a new line here, and we're going to go ahead and do Ctrl V again, and it will paste whatever we had copied again. So then we can make an edit to this one, such as putting a smiley face at the end. And now I'm going to use Ctrl A. That selects everything. So instead, I'm just going to drag. We selected this as blue. I'm going to use Ctrl C to copy. Remember, Ctrl C for copy. We're going to go down a couple lines. And now I'm going to use Ctrl V for pasting. And you see now we have that smiley face. So let's delete all this by selecting it and hitting backspace. Let's do this again. So we're going to Ctrl A, and that will select all. Then we're going to do Ctrl C to copy it to our clipboard. I'm going to go down a few lines here. And then we're going to do Ctrl V to paste from our clipboard. Now our clipboard only remembers the last thing that we copied. So if we only select the word C here and do Ctrl C for copy, then if we go down here to a new line and Ctrl V for paste, it will do whatever we have last copied. I hope this video has been helpful for you. This has been a video by nephewtech.com, and I hope you've learned something.